Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to our second day of product reveal for our box of the month for April. So the release date will be April 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Yesterday we revealed the really cute stamp set, Oh Honey. I showed you these very cute cards, so you could go back to the video and check that out. Such a cute stamp set. This is a 6x8 stamp set. So it's a large stamp set you're going to get. So let's take out the next products. We got Sweet Bees 6x6 paper pad, and then the coordinating ephemera. So really super cute. Let's share the ephemera first. It coordinates with the stamp set. I think you're going to like the colors in this collection. We've got a honey pot. This dog is so adorable in his little bee costume. We've got some really cute characters. These little girls dressed up in bee outfits. Sitting on that honey pot is really cute. We've got some just sitting, so you can place them on the honey pot or on your card, say on a line on your card. Looks like she's sitting up there. Here's another dog. We've got these cute little bees with smiley faces. Here's another honey pot jar. A cluster with a sunflower. Decorate your card with. Just cute characters. Cute rosy pink cheeks. Here's another one with the honey pot. We've got a little cluster with her dog and the little bumblebee. Here's a couple more of her just sitting. We've got some with the girl on the swing. Here's more in different hair colors. A bigger floral cluster. And then we've got a small honey pot jar and a bunch of little bees. Here's some bigger ones. So really super cute collection. And the 6x6 paper pad has 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design. Really cute color scheme. And there's an ombre with the honeycomb background. Some black and white polka dot. A page with these cute little bees. A yellow honeycomb background. This really cute tealish color with the white little dots everywhere. A nice little floral pattern, and then the scallop pattern here in black and white. A nice stripe that coordinates with all the colors in the paper pad. Another floral. Here's a scallop in yellow, and then this cool geometric design in yellow and black. And then another cute pattern with the bumblebees and flowers. And then we've got the polka dots. So we are going to be repeating designs now. So really cute paper pad. So it's going to go great with this ephemera collection. Let's make a card really quick. Okay, so I have my pieces cut out. I've got an A2 size card base here. I cut out this panel here with a stitched die. This is going to be one of the Not Too Shabby basic dies coming in the future. I thought it would be here maybe April end of April, but I'm thinking more like in May. So I'm going to add some glue to the back. Pretty little floral pattern. This blue in my stash seemed to match very well. So I'm going to position that the best I can. I've got a black sheet, or I've got an oval here in black for a frame. I cut out some polka dots for the bottom. And then to break up the two patterns, I cut a tiny little strip of the yellow scalloped pattern. So now we can add our focal point here on top. And I'm just going to center that. So I've pulled out some of the ephemera pieces. There's lots of choices. Let's see. So I thought it'd be really pretty to add one of these little sprays at the bottom, going across the card. So I'm thinking, I love this dog. I'm thinking the girl can sit right there on top of the sunflower, right there in the center of the card. And then we can add maybe a sentiment from the stamp set. So I'm thinking let's just do the Be Happy. It's nice and little. We can add it to the side right here. So let's go ahead and glue this down. I'm going to pop her up, and I think I'm going to pop this up as well. I am going to stamp out the Be Happy and cut it out with the die. I'm also going to stamp out that cute little bee in stamp set. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp it out twice in case I need it again. I'll already have it cut out and ready to go. So I'm just going to add a little yellow to this bee. And then some blue to the wings. And then I will add a little tiny pop dot to the back. Okay, so we're going to add this to the bottom, covering the bottom of the oval. We'll have our little bee flying around. Let me lighten up the wings just a little bit. Okay, so I finished off the card with the Be Happy sentiment. I popped up the Be Happy sentiment along with the cute little bumblebee. And then I added those clear enamel dots to finish off the card, and I think it turned out super sweet. So what do you guys think? Leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hit that bell for notifications. Share the video out. That will help out the channel as well. So thank you so much for supporting, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another reveal. Take care.